Here in this quick video, I'm going to show you how to enable the IR mode on your AvaEye IP camera. AvaEye is a series of Avalonics cameras. So here I have my config tool. I'm running on Windows, and my IP address for the camera is right here. If you don't know your IP address, use the AvaEye Config Tool to find the camera on the network. My IP address is this right here. I put it into my Microsoft Edge, and I hit enter. And I'm going to now log in using the default username and password that is on the box, or whatever password you set for the admin user. Once you log in, you'll be able to see the video from the camera without needing a plugin. But in this video, I'm going to show you how to turn on the IR mode constantly. So I go into setup, and then I go into image. And here is the image settings. To enable the IR mode, I've already done it. I've changed the under exposure, change the day and night mode to night. By default, it's an automatic. And by default, this is infrared, is the illumination mode. So this camera that I'm using, it is a infrared IP camera or PoE camera, meaning at nighttime or in darkness, when the camera switches to night mode or black and white mode, it will turn on its infrared. Smart illumination is basically the ability for the smart IR to compensate for the infrared amount. But if you wanted to turn on IR mode, in this case, we're trying to turn on IR mode for a specific application. You can switch to day and night mode to night. Automatically, the camera will switch to infrared and then global mode. If you want, you can also change the global mode to custom level and then control the intensity of the IR based on your preferences. So if I bring it down to 0, my IR mode will reduce the IR intensity of the LED to 0. This higher amount of illumination you see here is because I have a lamp on, and that's causing that illumination. But I do see the IR decreasing in intensity. Right now it's 0, and then when I do a 100, it lights up back on my camera. So if you're using the IR mode for your application, you can follow this video along on how to do that. Let's say you have some sort of condensation in your camera and you wanted to clear that up. You can certainly use the night mode to enable that. And that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching.